Good morning, dear students. I hope that you all are fine at your home. Today, I will discuss a very important writing skill, that is letter writing. So, letters are basically of two types, formal letter and informal letter. So, I will let you know what is formal letter, what is informal letter, and what are their format, and we will understand it through examples. Now, formal letter. What are formal letters? Formal letters are those letters which are written for job applications. They are written for business purposes, official letters, and letter to editor. Okay? Then comes informal letter. Informal letters are those letters which are written to our knowns. They are written to our friends, blood relations, and acquaintances, or the persons whom we know. Now let us discuss the format of formal letter. First of all, you have to write the sender's address. In sender's address, you will write the address, your address if it is not given in the question paper, and you can write this address in 3 lines. After it, you will leave 1 line and write date. Date must be written in expanded form. For example, 7th March 2020, like this, okay? Then third is receiver's detail, to whom we are writing the letter. Then that name will come or designation will come and address. After it comes salutation, dear sir or respected sir, like this you will write. After it, leave 1 line again and write subject. And subject you will always start with regarding. Okay. Then comes body. Body means content. So here you will write the content or actual message in this paragraph. And then comes complementary clause. Complementary clause, in it you will write ending. You will do ending in this letter and give your compliments. After it, you will write name, your name, and sign, and your designation, right? And then you will write yours faithfully. Okay? If you are knowing the person to whom you are writing the letter, informal letter, I am talking formal letter. So if you are knowing the person and you are knowing his or her name, then you will write yours sincerely. And if you don't know the name and you don't know the person, then you will write yours faithfully. Okay? Then comes the format of informal letter. Informal letter, again in the beginning you will write sender's address, then comes date, again in expanded form, then salutation, dear mother, friend, or to friend to whom you are writing it, then comes body, the actual message, then comes complimentary clause by paying your regards to elders. After it comes your name and sign. Then let us discuss body of formal letter. What and all you have to write in formal letter. It is divided into 3 parts, or in 3 paragraphs you will write the formal letter. First is introduction. That is purpose of the letter, why you are writing the letter. So you will start or begin your content by introducing the content. After it, you will write main content, all the detailed information about it. Then comes the summary of your content. Okay? Now see, formal letter and informal letter. First of all, we'll discuss formal letter. Formal letter, first of all, you will write the address. Then comes date. Then if we are writing the letter to editor, okay, so the letter to editors, they fall into the category of formal letter. and then you will write the editor, name of the newspaper, and place. Then dear sir, then comes subject. C, regarding bad condition of roads. Okay, so always start your subject with regarding. Okay, it should not be so long, right? Then comes the body of letter. So again 3 paragraphs, and then comes yours faithfully, then name, your name, and signature. And that is informal letter. In it you have to write on the top your address, then leave line and write date in expanded form. After it, leave one line in your dear friend or brother, mother to whom you are writing it, you will write that. Then after it, you leave one line and write your content, develop your content in 3 paragraphs. Then after it, you will write yours lovingly, name, and signature. Okay, so that's all about this types of letter and its format. Thank you.